Happy Cinco de Mayo. Today we're going to show a tutorial on how to take your STL file and upload it into our Simply 3D software, which will then prepare it to be 3D printed. We are going to print on our Maker Gear printer, which we have named HAL. We also have a MakerBot printer next to it. So our Maker Gear is one of our favorite printers to use. So the first thing we have is our USB plugged into our computer, which we are then going to access our file, and we'll go up to File, or simply go to the Import icon, click Import. We're going to import the file Jack Spinner, and that file is going to drop in. Now sometimes they don't drop in nice and easy like this one did. You may have to go up to the movement icons, and you can move around your screen and see exactly how the piece is going to be laying down on the platform, and how it lays on the platform is important. If we go up to Edit and we go scroll down to Place Surface on Bed, you can sometimes click other surfaces to get those surfaces to lay flat on the bed. However, with most objects, you always want to try to find a flat surface so that they could build layers evenly, versus leaving yourself with sides and angles that don't necessarily have supports when they print, or you end up with something that looks like this and it becomes very difficult to print the bottom of things. So with that said, we like to go up to Edit, place a surface on the bed, and we're going to click one of our flat surfaces, and then we can center and arrange. Now if I had other objects in here, I would use the Move feature, and I would actually move the object where I'd like to, and then we could import more of them if we wanted to mass produce the Jack's printed file. Now with that, we have the great ability to do multiple prints, and it really makes for easy 3D printing. Now once we get to this point and we have our object selected and we placed it on the bed appropriately, we are going to go down and prepare to print. When you prepare to print, you have two options: to begin printing over the USB, or save tool paths to disk. We don't save to the disks, we just begin printing over our USB. What's really cool is it does give you build statistics up here, and it tells you how long it's going to take to print, 32 minutes, and if you were charging or wanted to know how much material cost was going to be involved, it gives you an idea of what those specifications would be. So we go to begin printing over the USB, we click it, and as you can see here, we'll have the bed of the Maker Gear is going to start heating up. This is a unique, well, it's not unique, but this is a nice 3D printer because the platform also is heated, and I believe it gives us a better quality print over other printers that have a non-heated or temperature controlled bed. So as this is heating up to 271 degrees, we can actually go to settings here, and you could see that the extruder and the heating the bed is taking place. In these settings here that you have, your emergency stop in case something doesn't go well with your print. You can actively jog the controllers if you wanted to look at your X, Y, or Z planes if something wasn't working correctly. This is more for troubleshooting purposes. If you just go on to Simply 3D and use their platform, it's pretty simple to use, and we don't really have too much problems with this. So once this becomes heated up, we can close out of the window. Once this heats up, we can exit the preview mode, and then your STL files will soon start to print, and we will make another video showing you the conclusion of those. Thank you.